Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Creative Mary here. So this is a video on how you can claim your Paws token to your Phantom wallet. So for those of you who has not seen their Paws tokens distribution in their Bybit or Bitget exchange, so you're going to be claiming yours to your Phantom wallet. All right, so I'm actually on the channel of the Paws Lab. So there's an update that was posted 4 days ago, and it says only a few days left until the listing, which I made a video on it this morning. So tokens withdrawn to SEX will be deposited into your account, which is today. So if you have not received yours, that means there's going to be a claim section for you to claim your Paws to your Phantom wallet, that is from your Paws dashboard. And then it says the next paragraph that on-chain claims will be available exclusively via Paws web, which is the Paws dashboard. And then if you come right here, you're going to see this update. Said for the smoothest claiming experience, make sure your Phantom is topped up with enough Solana. All right, so if you are claiming yours to your Solana, your Phantom wallet, which is a non-custodian wallet, you're going to be needing enough Sol, which is the Solana, in your wallet. And if you scroll down a little bit, it says any on-chain transaction may require a basic processing fee, which is they meant that if you are claiming to your non-custodian wallet, which is your Phantom wallet, you'll be needing a gas fee, a Solana gas fee. So when you see the claim option in the Paws dashboard, make sure you have your Solana gas fee ready in your Solana wallet. Please do this, have the gas fee ready before you see the option for you to claim your Paws directly to your Phantom wallet. So I'm actually at the Paws dashboard, so you're going to be seeing your claim here. So when this claim option pops up, please make sure your Solana gas fee is ready before you click on the claim option. So if you want to get the Solana gas fee, go to your Phantom homepage and then you see Solana. Click on the Solana here, and the next thing you want to do is to click on receive. After clicking on receive, it's going to pop out this address here, which is the Solana address. So you just click on copy, and it's copied. You copy it and then you send it to the person that is going to sell the Solana to you. You send him this address and the person is going to give you Solana, and then you give the person money. But if you want to buy it directly from any of your exchange wallets, you can just go to the exchange wallet and buy your Solana from there, and then you send the Solana to this particular address here. All right, so that's how you can claim your Paws token directly to your Phantom wallet, and that's how also you can get the Solana gas fee for yourself. Okay, so if this video was helpful to you, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and comment, and let me, so that YouTube will push and recommend this video to a lot of people who need to know about how to claim the Paws tokens directly to their Phantom wallet. Thank you guys for watching, and make your life an interesting adventure. All right, I will see you in my next video. Bye.